Hey, what's up, Bittorrent token holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good team, my friends. My friends, welcome back to another video of ABS Tech channel. My friends, in this video, I'm talking about the Bittorrent token, BTT token of the last one day and latest update. And my friends, that's really a shocked surprise news for all of you, my friends. It's really a huge surprise for all of you. Let me zoom in the price chart. Now everything is going good in the Bitcoin, my friends. You can see here, sorry for now, you can see I'm just talking about this jump today. That is the last 1 hour price update after Bitcoin. Absolutely, in the last 60 minutes, the Bitcoin token taken huge pump. Absolutely a massive jump occurs in the Bitcoin token. So that's really good talk, good news for all of you, my friends. Anyways, congratulations to all BTT token holders. But you can see, if we talk about further more about the Bitcoin token, so in the previous time they also taken a good share, my friends, gradually, but they gradually start moving upward, my friends. But now this time they take a quick jump, my friends. And furthermore, if we talk about the price changes, so positive 5.89%. the price pumping in the market, and the highest price of the BTT token in the market is 0.002266 USD dollar. That is last only one day, last 24 hours price update of the Bittorrent token. So now after this all updates, my prediction, my technical analysis is going positive. And you know what, my friends, I'm also thinking positive about every coin, not only Bittorrent token. Every coin I'm positive thinking, my friends. So that's why you here is 70% plus chances to the price take a quick jump, and I hope that they also continue this jump for a long time. That is very necessary for BTT token, that they continue this jump for a long time. Thanks for watching this video, and remember, also tell me your opinion in the comment box. I need your opinion, your prediction about a BTT token. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.